Welcome to this Android channel, and I'm going to talk a little bit about one of the interesting key aspects of Android 9 Pie that was announced yesterday officially, and it started slowly to roll out. One of the things that is very interesting with Android 9 Pie is the promise of battery life. So, every version of Android that came and have gone have promised better battery life. One of them was Oreo, that's running out right now. It's still rolling out to most phones and tablets. Yet, I look at Oreo running on my phone, and I can't tell you that I've seen any differences in the battery life of the new operating system. It's a very difficult task because, of course, it's been transformed and tweaked so much in the past few versions by Samsung. Because they've really modified it. It looks like a Samsung operating system rather than a Android operating system. And of course, it can have an impact on battery life. But overall, one of the key aspects, and Google actually wanted to make sure that we know about it, was battery life. And last week, when they actually started talking a little bit more about it, more seriously. And let's cross our fingers that the tweaks and the performance issues and the battery life issues might actually get much better with this version. Another thing that's kind of interesting, and we heard that the Google Pixel phone will get the next Google Pixel phone that's supposed to be released on October 4th will have gestures. This is another key aspect of the Android 9 Pie, is that there are new gestures. There's a new way of basically using your phone. They're trying to change our usage of the phone by removing the touch and interaction that we have by using buttons or touching the screen in specific ways, or having buttons at the bottom or whatever, and rather have gestures that will do things, and try to get us into let's use gestures rather than have buttons everywhere. This is also something that's going to be interesting, and with the rumors that the Google Pixel phone, the next version of Pixel phone, will actually have gestures rather than buttons. That's going to be interesting to look at. And how, will someone from an older phone move on to, say, a Pixel phone or any new phone that will embrace the gestures rather than the buttons? How easy is it to do that change? Is it natural, or does it take some adapting to do? That's going to be interesting. And I bet you somewhere there will be a little button that says, hey, if you don't want to have gestures, just switch this on and your button's going to be back on the screen or whatever. But I think it's interesting, and of course we got to move on. So these are interesting things that the Android 9 Pie will actually bring us as they upgrade different devices. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed the videos.